Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yanika, speaking about traveling and positive into life. Today's video it's unboxing this new digital camera that I bought, the Sony ZV1. And then we're going on a trip to test this new camera that I recently bought. So let's check it out. Before unboxing this new camera, the Sony ZV1, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for weekly videos. And if you like this video, make a thumbs up and let me know that you are here watching this video by leaving a comment down here below. So let's get started unboxing this Sony ZV1. With the Sony ZV1, we have the battery, the charging wire, and this windscreen. This is to put it on the microphone here to protect the wind noise when recording in an open area. So to protect the wind noise from the microphone that goes inside. It will go like this. We remove the shoe cap and we put this windscreen on the internal microphone. So now let's go and test this out. I arrived in Muscat in Malta and I found a tree here, so I have a little bit of shade with a nice breeze in this hot summer that we have. And I am here testing the Sony ZV1. So tell me, how does it look? If it's shake, if it's nice, it's natural. Tell me, how do you see it and how are you hearing the sound? Now I'm walking and coming in the sun. I have the backlight over there. So tell me if it's something that it's bothering or it's not nice. But I think from my view that I can see it here, it seems still pretty nice. Yes, I have a bit of backlight and my head, it has a big spot, but I'm testing this camera to see how I look on it when using this camera instead of using always my mobile phone, this OnePlus 3T. Now I turned around, I am facing the sun. Tell me how it looks in the sun when I'm walking in the sun. I can't see clear because my eyes are directly to the sun, so I can't see a lot the viewfinder clear. Let me know in the comments below. I will be taking some B-roll shots and also state what do you think of those B-roll shots that I am shooting to see if it's a nice camera. And now I am walking in the shade. Tell me if the shade is pretty much cool. And I am enjoying this camera. For me it seems very portable and handy, holding it in my hand and walking with it. Tell me about the sound, how it seems, how you can hear me, if it's clear or if you're hearing any noise. Yes, I'm using the windscreen for the microphone that I showed you earlier. So tell me how it looks for you. let's go and explore another area of Muscat and test more this camera with B-roll now. Now I'm walking with my camera in my hand frontal, and for me it doesn't seem that shaky, so it's quite a nice shot. Let me know in the comments below. So what are you seeing and what do you think about it? I found another area with a lot of trees here in Muscat to see the colors and of this camera, even close-ups of leaves, how it looks, and trying to see my face. It seems very natural on this camera. So tell me, what do you think about it? And if you have one of these, or if you have another type of cameras that is very handy, let me know in the comments below so I see what cameras do you use and if you think this camera is best to use from now on to make more videos for you. I will be also comparing my OnePlus 3T and also the Sony ZV1, so I'm going to show you the comparison of them, so keep watching until the end for this video. So now I'm filming with my mobile phone, the OnePlus 3T. I've been using this phone for many years, 3 years I think now, even for my travels. And now this mobile phone is on the Osmo, the GI, so it's stabilized with the GI Osmo. And also I'm wearing this microphone. So you see the difference from the shade to the sunlight direct on this mobile phone. Now I'm filming with the backlight of the sun, so see the difference of these two different cameras from my mobile phone to the Sony ZV1. Let me know in the comments also what comparison do you see in between them. Now I'm filming with the Sony ZV1. I'm passing the same path that I passed with my mobile phone, the OnePlus 3T. The microphone, I don't have any microphone on me, only the windscreen on the internal microphone of the Sony. And I'm passing from the shade, now going to the sun. Even look at the back of the camera, the background of me. Let me know in the comments the comparison of it. Now I'm going to turn around, having the backlight after me. I'm still filming with the Sony ZV1. So tell me in the comments below, how are you seeing the change of the lights? And also my face, if it's still clear and not. I will be experimenting something new also on this camera. So now I'm filming with my mobile phone, the OnePlus 3T. Now I'm filming with the Sony ZV1. I'm passing the same path that I passed with my mobile phone, the OnePlus 3T. change of focus on my hand. It changes quickly to be focused on a macro. So I'm testing the macro on my face to see if it works with the background out of focus. Let me know if you can see it, because I can't see it from the viewfinder. Obviously I will check it when I will be editing, but currently I can't see anything. Let's see on my hand and my face. If you see the background out of focus. I changed again the settings to see if something works with the background. Okay, something like that, it's working. I'm trying to look on the side of the camera to see the viewfinder. I hope it's not weird looking there, not in straight to the camera to speak to you. But let me know in the comments, how do you think this camera is working? I will wake up a bit. So I walk again through the path. I can see something in the background. It's out of focus and it's focusing on my face and my eyes to keep myself clear and the background out of focus. I am liking this camera. I tell you, I am liking it. I feel like I step up a bit in my equipment. I love these kind of things to make the best movies for YouTube, for you to watch, to entertain you more. So let me know, what do you think of this video? Let me know what you are seeing in this camera and if you like it or not. I'm still experimenting. I am experimenting with the background while walking, with the backlight. Still have the sun exactly above me, so there's no backlight or frontal. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so the sun is very direct at the moment. I can see that the background is not focused and the camera is focused on me, so I'm enjoying testing this camera in Muscat, and I'm happy with the result and the new investment that I did, because it's very small and portable camera. Yes, all the things that I am filming is only me. There's no one filming me, so yes, I'm doing close-ups. I can see myself on the side of the camera on the screen. Thankfully, there is this feature on this camera that I can see, and it's good for vlogging, so I can speak direct to the lens, to the camera, and I can see myself on the screen. So yes, this feature, I really liked it. Thank you for watching all this video and the comparison of both cameras of the mobile phone OnePlus 3T and the camera ZV1, the Sony ZV1. And thank you for watching all this video. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this camera. And also, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. It really means a lot to me, and I will do more videos like this for you to watch and be entertained. So, see you next week. Ciao ciao and stay tuned.